This tutorial guides you through configuring your store logo and generating professional placeholder part images in GridX Connect, so your catalog looks polished from day one. You will learn how to upload your store logo and update inventory images to maintain customer trust. Click here to access the dropdown. Click Settings to open the configuration options for your GridX Connect account and store preferences. Click here to proceed to the PartSnap section, where you can upload your store logo in PNG format. Click Upload your store logo to begin uploading your store's logo. Please note that PartSnap images are temporary placeholders. Replace them with real product photos within 30 days to maintain customer trust. Use our image drive or image URL features to update listings. Now click My Inventory to view and manage your product listings within GridX Connect. Click All eBay Status to filter your inventory items based on their eBay listing status. Click Needs Images to display all inventory items that require product photos to be added. Click Select All to choose all items displayed for bulk image updates. Click PartSnap to select the temporary placeholder images for your product listings. Click Needs Images filter again to change the status filter. Click Ready to Publish to view inventory items that have all required images and are ready for listing. Now you're ready to publish your items, all within a PartSnap. You have successfully configured your store branding by uploading your logo and managed your inventory images in GridX Connect. Remember, always add real product photos regularly when you receive orders to maintain customer trust. Thank you for watching.